Well, I'm about to head off to work. But I have some of this red RTV, this high temp silicone stuff. Right there. But that's what I was using. I was actually working on a truck last night, taking the collector gaskets out. I've got copper gaskets, but they weren't in too bad a shape, and I was actually able to reuse them. And I just had to tap it a little bit to get them back in the straightness or whatever. But anyway, hopefully this let's see how these things do with this exhaust leak, and if it works right now, let's see what it does with holding up about 24 hours or something from when I done this. Put the gasket maker on there, see if it's got a leak. Fingers crossed.